In this short video, I will show you how you can export a previously prepared brochure to PDF and send it to the printing house as such. So let's get started. From the File drop-down menu, select the Export option, then choose where to save our document and select Adobe PDF Print in the Save as Type option. We click on the Save option. The first thing we will do is choose a standard. Before doing this, it is best to consult with the printer to get instructions on what standard the printer uses. In my case, the first variant works best. Then in the Page section, select Spread. In the Compression section, leave the entered values, with the fact that we will select the None option for compression, for the best possible result, which will make the exported file larger. In the Marks and Bleed section, we will select some options that will appear in our PDF document, which will contain the information that the printer needs. We will include options that will serve us to crop the printed document. Registration marks, which serve to print each color precisely. Color bars are squares that contain color information to let the printer know if the color application is good. In the Bleed and Slug section, we'll turn on the Use Document Bleed Settings option. We will set the offset to 5 mm so that all lines and information will be outside the print borders. In the Output option, we will select the Convert Destination Preserve Numbers option, and this first option works best for me. When we have done all that, click on Export, click on OK, and here you can see the progress of exporting the document itself. Our brochure has been exported, and when I open it we will see the final rendering of the document, that is the brochure. So, here we have lines that are used to cut off the printed document that are outside the bleed area. We will see registration marks that contain information about each color in a certain percentage. We have fold lines and we have a color bar, for black and for the remaining 3 colors in full shades and combinations which, as I said, are for the printer to check that the document will print well. The document prepared in this way is ready to be sent to the press.